So me and my
it's a local banana.
So me and my sister are trying different bananas. Not just one, but how many different types of bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all Filipino banana. 5. Which one's
the local one?
The local one. Let's try the local one banana.
It's tunda.
It's a good size.
Yeah. It's a Filipino size.
Okay. Tastes like a Filipino.
This one.
Second one.
It's the red. I don't know what we call this one. It's a red banana.
Why is it red?
I don't know.
It's the same size as Filipino size.
Yeah, Filipino size also.
Why is it not? Why it's not red though?
I don't know, just the skin. Sweeter.
5/10. Why?
This one is Cavendish.
Cavendish?
Oh,
This is the Cavendish banana.
the green banana.
The green banana. Is the only green banana.
No, we have the green banana here, the bulungan also.
It's a good size, but it tastes not sweet.
Yeah.
What's this?
This one is a bulungan.
It's like an old banana.
An old banana. Just smell it. You can tell it is sweet.
Oh my god, it's very sweet.
And
And this is the
right one.
cooked banana.
Cooked banana.
So they boiled it. It's girthy. It's nice and girthy.
Last
It's
one.
really
chewy.
chewy. And the ripe is
The
different,
ripest,
right?
yeah. The ripest one.
Wow.
Soft.
I think this one is my favorite.
And the last one
Oh, I
is
haven't tried this one.
you have to.
What is this?
The one that we do export.
Export.
Export. Export ko dito.
Ah.
Import that.
Import?
Import.
Wait.
Bobo.
Yeah. It's my favorite. It's not too sweet and it's not too...
It's not saggy.
It's not saggy and it's the perfect size.